We're checking piston to valve clearance, and we're going to show you how that's done today.
So we're on the exhaust valve right now. And typically you're going to be really close to the valve at about 10 degrees crankshaft revolution before this thing gets closed. So we're at 10 right now, and what we have is 110 thousandths. So I'm going to move the crankshaft 10 degrees. Got 110, 115 right there, 115 almost. So usually at 10 degrees is about where it's the closest. There's 20. That's 130 plus. So we're the closest right here, about 10. We're 110, and this head gasket is the old head gasket, and we are going to be 10 closer than this. So we're going to be right at about 100, which is about what you want on the exhaust. You're looking at for about 100 on the exhaust and about 80 on the intake. So we're going to be right dead nuts where it needs to be. What you doing?
Cleaning.
It's your favorite thing.
Oh, yeah.
Cleaning silicone off parts.
My favorite thing in the world.
How you making out?
Good.
Okay. When you're done with this, I'll have you go get some parts, okay?
Okay. We have the whole bottom end all together, and we will be putting the oil pan on as well.
We're gonna put the oil, just torque the oil pump down, and then we'll be pretty much finished. And everything's been checked. All the clearances are perfect. Everything's good. Engine turns over real nice. Actually turns over real easy. It's got low tension rings and stuff in it. You can see how easy that thing turns over. Turns over so easy.
Like butter.
Like butter. Yep, so timing cover oil pan is next, and we're working on cylinder heads too.
We're working on the cylinder heads, and we've got a new valve job for them already. We've got the spring height measured, and then we have the shims are all in for them, and then we've got the new seals all ready to go for the heads, and then we are now putting the valves in, and the springs are going on.
Sometimes they fight you. That one was one that fought, but we got that one. All right. That was number 3 intake. There's number 3 exhaust. Yeah. You spend just a little bit more time getting all this stuff set up, usually it won't fight you quite so bad. That one looks a little bit better. There we go. Just like that. All right, 2 more to go. And this one's completely done. Yeah, I don't know if you got not enough juice. Wiggle it back and forth a little bit while you're pushing it down. You're getting it. Even if it hurts. All right, here. Let me see.
I think you just gave me the hardest one.
Oh, they're all hard. Yeah, that's on there. What are you doing?
Cleaning push rods and rocker arms.
Cleaning again?
Cleaning.
It's your favorite thing?
Always cleaning.
There's always a million things to clean.
Always.
Don't mess it up.
I messed it up a little bit.
It's just a little grease. It ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Oh, you talking made me mess it up more.
Oh yeah, because it was my talking that messes you up.
It's fine.
All right, getting the pushing rods in. And then we're going to start working on, what?
What?
Rocker arm, studs, and guide plates. We're going to get them all lined up and get them in. As long as you don't wipe all the grease off the end of them.
They're fine.
Is it a thing on?
Yes, it's on. So the rocker studs are going in and the guide plates are going in?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
This side's done. Now we just need to do this side.
line up the roller with the tip of the valve by moving the guide plate. And then you're gonna tighten it down, but they always move, so you gotta be real gentle. It's moved already. You gotta keep on checking it. A little bit. You usually have to do this a few times before you can get it exactly where you want it. Sometimes you can use the other rocker and the push rod to kind of hold it steady. You got to do it real nice and easy. Just keep tightening it down a little bit at a time. Real careful. And it moved again. You just have to be patient. Sometimes they go real easy, and sometimes they don't go so easy. Usually right when they're getting snug down real good, they move. And that's pretty close. So now it stayed pretty good. So now what we're going to do is, now we're going to try and torque them down. I know they're probably within probably 10 pounds or so of being torqued pretty tight. Felt like it kind of moved. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. All right, that one's done.